I made chili flakes with my chili peppers,
And those are beautiful.
It's so vibrant, right?
Yes.
Like when you get them from the store, they're almost brown.
Exactly.
Like they're so old.
Exactly. And people don't understand that.
Yeah. And then turmeric powder.
Oh, that's homegrown turmeric?
This is homegrown turmeric. And smell it. I wish that there was like smell-o-vision.
Saramaria.
Take a little whiff.
Oh my God. I feel like I just ate it.
I know, right?
I probably did. It probably absorbed into my nose. Oh, that is magnificent.
It's so good. And turmeric grows so easy. It grows like a weed now. It just pops up in my garden. I don't even know how. I think like I compost the plant and then there must be like little tiny bits
rhizomes.
Exactly. And then they just start popping up everywhere. So it's really cool.
That's intoxicating. And so what's in the vanilla jar? Is that you made your own vanilla extract?
So yeah, you can make your own vanilla extract. I didn't grow the vanilla beans, but just showing other ways that what I'm trying to do is cross things off my grocery list.
Yes.
Like I don't want to have to depend on going to the store all the time to get the things I need. Like I can grow my own tea. I could make, certain basic medicines. Like there's a lot of things that I could do here.
For sure.
So, it's the same technique as the tinctures. You basically just soak the vanilla bean in alcohol, and then alcohol draws the properties from the plant, from the herb into it, and it's delicious, right? And so like you could make this big thing for a fraction of what vanilla costs at the store.
It's crazy.
It is crazy. I used to get so mad, like I should be doing this, and then finally I was like, I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah. And it's so simple. You just set it and forget it. And I have vanilla extract for 5 years at a time because those pods, like when you buy them, well, sometimes they come with like multiple of the strings. If you just get the raw vanilla,
oh nice,
and you put it in a jar like that, that would be super potent. If you put like a whole bean, but I split it up in wine bottles and then poured the liquor, and the liquor bottles maybe like $40. The vanilla's like 20, and you have a gallon.
Yeah, like never ending.
Gallon? Yeah, exactly.
And you know where it's coming from, and most importantly, it's
you know where it's coming from.
I mean, get the alcohol that you could afford.
Yeah,
but it's like I want it from a glass bottle. I know how alcohol is a spirit, right? It absorbs the spirit of the herb. So if I'm buying alcohol and it's sitting on a glass bottle, like I don't know where these. When you get something from a store, you just don't know the quality.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So I try to get at least things that come in glass bottles. I try to eliminate as much plastic as possible.
Yeah.
As I want to live close to nature and close, So this is calendula. These are calendula flowers that I grew. And you soak the calendula in olive oil or any type of carrier oil.